we're going to figure out how to model a whole number times a decimal. When you model a whole number times a decimal, you have to think about groups of things, and we know multiplication is groups of things. Before we can start, we need to look at our tools. We have this, this, and this. Which one of those represents a whole thing? You're right, that's exactly right. That's a whole, okay? If that's a whole, what is that?
A tenth.
A tenth, and what's that?
One.
We don't have, nope, this is one.
Hundred.
Hundred. Ones, tens, hundreds. Good, because it takes 100 of these to get a whole, and it takes 10 of these to get a whole, right? It's opposite of what we're used to. So this is a whole, this is a tenth, this is a hundredth. So, I need to figure out what I'm going to model here. I have 3 times 4 tenths. Therefore, I have 3 groups of 4 tenths. So I'm going to model 3 groups of 4 tenths. 1, 2, 3. There is my 3 groups of 4 tenths, correct? Now, when you do multiplication, a strategy we use is repeated addition, but we're past that, and I know that, but for this, we're going to do repeated addition. I've got to add 4 tenths plus 4 tenths plus 4 tenths and get an answer. So, do I have a whole right there? Can I make a whole? Yes, I can. I have 4. How many of these did you tell me it takes to get a whole? 10. 4, 8, 9, 10. So that now is a whole. And how many do I have left over?
2.
2 what?
10.
2 tenths. So my answer is 1 and 2 tenths. Make sense? Okay. Questions on that?
No.
So let's try another one. What if the problem said something like 2 times 3.4. I have 2 groups of 3.4. So I've got to make 2 groups of 3.4. Well, what is this 3? A whole. So I need 1, 2, 3. And then what do I need? 4 tenths. So there's 1 group of 3 and 4 tenths. I need another group of 3 and 4 tenths, correct? Now do I have 2 groups of 3 and 4 tenths?
Yep.
What do I need to do? Add them together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I make a whole?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No.
I don't. I can't, right? So what is my answer? 6 and 8 tenths. Perfect.